Alright guys, I just want to do another video on this compass, something that I found very common, I guess, because Dorman makes it. Usually if Dorman's going to make something, it's a common part to break or a common part that has an issue, and they make them, and sometimes they even refine it and make it better, you know, fixing the factory flaws. So, as you can see right here, this is the washer nozzle. It was broken off. That's the piece that's left in there. There you can see where, you know, the one is on this side. That's what it's supposed to look like. This side, just a gigantic hole. So this is actually pretty easy. Bought these off eBay. It was like $7 for 2 of them. See, it has these little notches. Those are actually what holds it in. So make sure you have the nozzles facing towards the windshield, because that's where you want them. You just heard it click down there. That is in. See if I can do this one-handed or not, or if it's stuck in there. Nope, there we go. So as you can see, this is the piece that broke off. So now what you want to do, alright, see if I can get some light back here for you guys. There you see it. That's where it comes down through the hood. And then, bam. Problem fixed, guys. Now you have your washers working. You can pass inspection. You can clean the bird poop off. So I hope that helped you guys. As always, check out that description. Check out my wife's decals. We got Etsy, we got eBay. They're both down there. Whichever you like to shop on. Hit that like button. Subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else we can help you with, and we'll see what we can do. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Thanks a lot.